Hello. Today we're gonna see how to create a contact page on our website. And select our okay, let's start from name, first and last name. Then double click on this one to edit. So it shows here. If you want to add description over here, if you wanna remove all this stuff, we go to advanced. Let's say show this one large and hide label. We're going to this one, hide sub labels here, but we have to write over here so people will know what this form will be mean. Okay, so add field, email, okay, add another message, so let's say we're done with this. So we click on that and just change the title name here. Contact me. Contact. Okay. Then we come to the confirmation, and this is, and if you want more thing, you can add and just set up in a way that after people submit, it would go to the different page like this. So if it goes to about page once it's completed. So the next thing we have to do is just save, embed. So we copy this link and go and save it and do it on our page. So go to the contact me page, we post it here. So we want to see the title, so we make this one true. It's simple. So if you do preview, you'll see like this: contact me, name, email. So simple. Done. It's done. Thank you for watching.